Okay, let's get real about the Osmo Dashcam Pro. Is it actually the 4K powerhouse you see splashed across online ads? Or is it just another tech letdown hiding behind flashy marketing? I picked up the Osmo Dashcam Pro after seeing it everywhere, especially with those tempting 4K dual camera claims. Sounds impressive, right? But the second I unboxed it, things started feeling a little off. First, the instructions. Tiny print, barely any detail, and honestly, setting this thing up took longer than it should have. And I'm not alone. Plenty of buyers mention the same struggle. Video quality? Yes, the box says 4K front and 1080p rear. But when you actually watch the footage, especially compared to dashcams from big names like Viofo or Nextbase, the Osmo's video looks a bit, well, cheaper. It works, but don't expect YouTube-worthy crispness, especially at night. The night vision promises a lot, but picking out license plates in low light is hit or miss. Let's talk features. You get 24-hour parking mode and motion detection, which is cool. But the Wi-Fi connection to your phone can be a pain. Some users even say the app kills their mobile data while connected, and don't be surprised if the included memory card isn't the size you expected. One thing that really threw me? The branding. It's called Osmo, but it's got nothing to do with DJI's Osmo cameras. In fact, this dash cam pops up under a bunch of random brand names online. So, is it a scam? Not exactly. It's a real product, and at around R1000 to R1500, it's a cheap way to add basic recording to your car. But if you want sharp, reliable footage for insurance or peace of mind, I'd save up for something from an established brand.